Hi everyone. I'm just going to show you a quick review of my everyday carry. I have two versions of it, one when I'm at work and one when I'm off work. There's two versions, one everyday carry when I'm not at work and one when I am at work. Now I'm just going to show you exactly what I do carry on every day when I'm not at work. So if I don't have this with me, it's in the car with me or it's close by to me. Everyday carry, I have my gloves, my G-Shock GPIB 1000 solar powered watch, Rangeman. I always have a camera with me. If it's not my GoPro, I have my little DJI. DJI Pocket Mini. I have my Leatherman tread. Now on the Leatherman tread, it's got quite a few features on it. It's a Leatherman tread. It has all bits for screwdrivers, sockets, Phillips screwdrivers, glass breaker, bottle opener, oxygen bottle opener. So it's got quite a few different ones on here, and obviously on the back of them it does say exactly what they are. If you can see, it tells me exactly what they are. And also SIM card remover. It removes your SIM card, and that's a cord cutter. So cut string, seat belts, whichever. So it's got quite a bit, and I usually have that on all the time, except when, and my watch is always with me. Take it off when I'm doing something at work, because of the job what I do. And I'm also not at work. I've got the leather organiser with torching, multi-tool, with pliers, rivets, screwdriver, bottle openers, etc. And this just clips straight onto your hooks, onto your belt, and obviously through there. And my key's just attached to that. So that's another thing you have. It's everyday carry when I'm not at work. And then I have this little expedition pouch. Little cutter. Little pliers, socket set, carabiners, fire starter, little mini crowbar. It's come in usefully quite handy, to be honest. That's a little nail puller for pulling nails out. And my little bits, a Sharpie pen. Like I said, just little bits and bobs at the back of there. Just another little knife, little sewing kit in there, big safety clip, well, that's, like I say, that's my everyday carry for that. Ranger beads, if anybody knows what they are. my own keys for the car, and a little mini lighter. That's come in handy quite a bit, that, lately. Headphones. And if I'm basically not, if I'm wild camping and that, take the knife with me. It's not a lock-in, but that's only if I go wild camping. I don't carry that every day. And a little belt attachment if I need to hook anything else onto my belt. So that's what I carry around me on an everyday carry, if I'm not at work. If I am at work, obviously I minimise the safety precautions of things, but like I said, my watch, my bracelet, this stays with me in the car. It's just everyday carry. There's phone charger leads in there as well. So I've got everything I need with me, if I need it. And my little torch and my belt thing. So that's everything that goes with me. And especially the camera, because obviously if I'm ever out and I see something, I will video it. With these winter months coming now, obviously, my hat, as well as my gloves. In the boot of my car, I always have a big thick coat in the back of the car with some boots as well. Some other pouches in the back which store like bits of first aid and things like that. So I do have quite a bit in the car, but this is what I usually always carry on me. You're probably thinking, it's going to weigh you down. It's not very heavy. It's all lightweight stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching my everyday carry. If there's any comments or any things what you think I should carry or shouldn't be carrying with me, give us a link, give us a comment below, give us a thumbs up, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you all soon, and thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye for now.